what's up, you guys? It's me, Laddiesymone, and if you don't know, now you know. I am back with another video, and this video is going to be showcasing you all how I achieved this hair color. Like, finally, you know, on this wig. I literally had a time. Now, I don't have any makeup. I just have on some lashes, my eyebrows, some lip gloss, and some oil on my face because I just really did not feel like putting on any makeup. It's already like 11:42 right now, and I really wanted to get a video up to you guys because I know I didn't put one up on Sunday because I'm in the process of moving, but you guys would know that if you follow me on my Snapchat or Instagram. I purchased this wig with my own money. This wig came from Eunice Hair, and when I got it, baby, the frontal was absolutely thick with a capital. I went to Ohio to see the father of my child, and I was looking like straight up Elvis freaking Presley. Like, the baby hairs was not laying correctly. It was just like I rushed to put the wig on anyway because I was trying to look good. It was my first time flying while pregnant. It was just a whole catastrophe, you know what I'm saying? I even had to, you know, I bleached it twice. Went through hell and high waters to try to achieve the color that I was trying to achieve, and it's still not the color that I was trying to achieve. I'm not really sure what I was trying to achieve because I can't really remember it because I pre-recorded this video, but this right here is absolutely perfect for my it came out really beautifully. I'm absolutely just happy that I'm finally finished with dealing with this wig because it was working my nerves, okay? It really was. Currently supposed to be on bed rest, but I really wanted to get a video up to you guys since I didn't have one up for Sunday. Don't worry, I haven't been straining or stressing myself, but you guys would know that if you follow me on my social media. Enough rambling. Make sure that you are subscribed to this channel. Make sure you thumbs up this video, and we're gonna go ahead and get into how I achieved this color. So this is what the wig looked like after bleaching it twice. Lord Farquaad, she's very thick. And now I'm about to get ready to go into the hair with some Kiss cinnamon. And I applied that to only the roots on the frontal, and I used the baby hair brush to do so. And I use this because it's a lot easier to work with versus getting a brush and then possibly getting, you know, some of the hair color on the lace. I also use the baby hair brush because it's really great at feathering the, you know, color into the hair. And, you know, I also made sure that I combed it through just so it is even. Make sure that there's no blotchy or splotchy patches or anything of that nature. And this is all before I plucked it again. So this is just what it looks like wet, but when it's dry, it looks an absolute crappy mess. And I really just had such a very hard time with this. Later on, I did find out that the cinnamon was a little bit too red for my hair, as you guys will see later on in the video, but you want to make sure that you're combing the product through so that way you are getting even, you know, coverage. And I made sure that I really took my time with this. I spent hours on this wig, you guys, and even after, you know, doing all of this, before, you know, I end up putting the, you know, color on the hair, I did allow the hair to soak into a very hot steamy bath of silicone mix, because you guys saw that the hair was absolutely freaking stiff.
it was just so stiff. I'm not really sure what type of hair this was that I got from Eunice, but I purchased it from Amazon, but it was from the company Eunice. But it was so stiff after bleaching it only twice, and I've never dealt with any hair that gets really stiff after only bleaching it twice. But you know, I use 40 volume developer each time, so that probably could have been what it was that kind of fried the hair a little bit. So I did have to go back in with some silicone mix and let it deep condition, soak for like 2 hours in scalding hot water. You want to make sure that you take your time, especially in the root area, especially in the middle part and in the front. That's why I did the front first, because I know sometimes that the front really doesn't process well enough if you do it last. So that's why I did the front, the perimeter of the head first, and then I did the middle part, because those are the areas that you're going to see the most. Make sure that you do comb that through. So like I said, that way you are having even coverage, and you know, just continue to make sure that you comb it through. Don't worry about the color getting onto any of the hair. It's going to bleed through nicely, or actually blend through nicely. So this right here was the absolute most annoying part of the wig. I bleached this twice, and Eunice, you should be ashamed of yourself for giving me 2 tracks of freaking silver gray hair. Like, it was absolutely horrible, like, for real, for real. So I just picked that up out of the way. And later on I did go over it with the same hair dye as you guys are about to see right now, which is the Beigen. It's the black, and I knew this was not gonna fail me. Beigen does not fail. So I back combed a little bit, and because I did not want this to be like black at the end, I did mix a little bit of the cinnamon from Kiss, and I mixed like a couple of drops of that Beigen, so it would give me like a very dark brown color. And I also applied that dark brown color to the 2 gray tracks up there, but I just did it off camera. But back combing is going to allow my hair to flow a lot evenly. It's not gonna have any of those blotchy patches or anything like that. It's just going to blend seamlessly. I also let this sit on the hair literally overnight because I did not want to have to deal with doing this hair over again at this time. I know I had spent at least a whole 2 days on this hair trying to fix it, just in total, but it was just sporadic. I did take the baby hairbrush to feather the color in a little bit more, so that way it wasn't such a harsh line. And I didn't take it all the way up to the back combing area. I just kind of eyeballed how I would like for it to look and kind of went at it that way. And like I said, she still was freaking thick. She still was super red. So I did go back in with that Beigen. So I had to go back in and completely pluck the absolute crap out of it. I did not post these pictures at all, but I just wanted to show you guys how it looked before I went back in with the Beigen. And that was the final result afterwards.
That is pretty much it. That is how I achieved this color. I'm absolutely in love with it. I'm not gonna do any more types of alterations to it besides probably cut layers in. Like, a lot of y'all have been really sleeping on me. Like, what's going on with my engagement? What's going on with my views? Like, I have 50,000 of you guys. I don't even get 1,000 views on my videos. Like, what's good with that? Like, I'm really trying to figure this out. What's good with that? I don't understand. Like, y'all nosy for no reason. You be all up on my social media, but you don't be watching my videos. And I feel like y'all hating. Like, for real, for real. Y'all don't love me no more? Where the hell did 50,000 of y'all come from? I should only have probably like a good 300 subscribers, because that's pretty much how many of y'all watch. Where is the support? But I love though. What the fuck though? 5, 4, 3, 2, out of 1, go. Y'all don't love me no more? It's because I'm pregnant. You know, the people that really love me, they gonna support me, and I appreciate y'all for supporting me. Y'all real MVP. You know, I don't even understand why y'all can't even like the simple video. Why you just can't watch it? Why you can't even comment? I don't even understand. But I ain't tripping. I ain't tripping. It is what it is, because I don't do this for the views. I do this because I love to make content and I love to do what I do. And whoever watches, and I see the ones that are there for me on my Snapchat, on my Instagram, and right here too. I see y'all. I do. And I try my hardest to reply, but at the moment I am currently moving. I know I haven't been really too consistent, but I'm trying to do what I need to do to make sure that my baby is healthy, that mama is healthy. So for those of you all that has been checking up on me, thank you so much. Thumbs up this video if you guys did like it. I really hope you guys did like it. Make sure you check out my other videos, you guys. Not my later videos, like some of my newer videos that I made this year, okay? This year. Really would help me out a lot if you guys did support my content and was engaging with me, because what is 50,000 of y'all here for? Why? You're taking up space. And I will pretty much see you guys in my next video. I hope you all enjoyed. Make sure that you check down below for all of the details, all of that goody stuff. My PO box will be up soon, you guys. I've run into a dilemma with that. Make sure that you do check out Pumpkin's registry. If you guys do want to support me, make sure you support my baby. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.